Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. In this video, I would like to share a Bath & Body Works fall haul with you. I have the new Give Thanks collection. I have the fragrance mist and the body creams. Oh, I'm so excited! Yes, so without further ado, let's jump in. So first up is Lakeside Citrus. And this is what the fragrance mist looks like. And I love the blue color. And it's like fruits and pumpkins and flowers. It's so pretty. And here's the body cream. And I love the white backdrop with the blue. It's so cute. So the scent notes are autumn air, citrus zest, and sparkling water. So let's see. Ooh, this is very nice. Let me layer it with the fragrance mist. Very, very citrusy. Very citrusy. Very like fresh air. It's really nice, you guys. Citrus and fresh air. I really like that one. Oh, that's nice. I really like that one. That's Lakeside Citrus. Next is White Pumpkin Chai. And this is what the packaging looks like. Again, like the off-white, like speckled background with like this really pretty, like copper color. It's really pretty. And this is the fragrance mist. Very fall-like. Scent notes are cinnamon cider, spiced pumpkin, and vanilla glaze. Let's see here. Applying the body cream and now layering it with the fragrance mist. Ooh, this is really nice, you guys. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but this has exceeded my expectations. It's okay, you get pumpkin, but it's like it's got like a lot of like bakery spice to it. I guess that's the chai. And it's sweet. So that must be the vanilla. What is this? Cinnamon cider. And you know what? Now that I smell it, I do get the cider too. This is a lot more complex than I thought it would be. And it's lovely. Absolutely lovely. Oh, I think I'm going to wear this one first. Oh, this is so nice, you guys. I love it. That is White Pumpkin Chai. Next is Frosted Cranberry. And this is what the body cream looks like. It's like this deep chocolate color with gold, like filigree. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and then here is the fragrance mist. Scent notes are snow dusted cranberry, juicy peach, and ripe red raspberries. And I mean, I know I smelled this before. I just don't really remember. Ooh, yeah, it's cranberry. I smell cranberry. Peach and raspberries. Yeah, you know what? The cranberry is the predominant note, but I do get the like more fruitiness. So that must be the peach and the raspberry. So that is Frosted Cranberry. Next is Whipped Almond Vanilla. And this is actually the one that I'm most excited for. So let me show you the fragrance mist. Very pretty. Like a gray color with silver. I don't know if you can see that, but like silver filigree on there. And here is the body cream. Very pretty packaging. Scent notes are sweet almonds, whipped vanilla milk, and marshmallow lavender. So I love vanilla, I love marshmallow, and I love lavender. So let's hope that this is everything that it promises. I know, I'm a little bit dramatic. Okay. Body cream on. Fragrance mist on. I smell marshmallow. I smell vanilla, but why am I smelling like a little bit of citrus? Hold on, let me spray this in the air. I get a hint of citrus. That is so weird. Sweet almonds, whipped vanilla milk, and marshmallow lavender. So I get the marshmallow, I get the vanilla, and the lavender, but I smell like a hint of citrus. Maybe I have Lakeside Citrus like stuck in my nose or something, because the scent notes don't say anything about citrus. But I like it though. I do like it. So that was whipped vanilla almond, frosted cranberry, white pumpkin and chai, and Lakeside Citrus. So that is the Give Thanks collection. Officially, I believe this collection is supposed to release on Monday. So hopefully you guys can get your hands on it, because it's a lovely collection, you guys. I really, really like it. In order of likes, I would have to say, oh my gosh, I guess my least favorite would be frosted cranberry. And then next, it's so hard because I really like all of them. Maybe Lakeside Citrus? I may change my mind on that. And then whipped almond vanilla. And then my favorite is white pumpkin and chai. I really, really like this one. I like this one more than I thought I would. So please comment and let me know what you guys are looking forward to, or if you've gotten your hands on this collection, which one is your favorite, and that sort of thing. I'd love to know that you guys stop by my channel. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. And you guys stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.